Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to add and animate text in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first step is to select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Align the text layer onto the screen and adjust its duration by dragging the edge. Open the Effect Controls panel by going to Window and selecting Effect Controls. Select the text layer and go to the position setting. Add the first keyframe by positioning the text off screen. Move the timeline forward a few seconds and add another keyframe with the text visible on screen. Repeat the steps to slide the text back off screen, creating the slide out effect. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text slide in and out of the screen. Now you know how to create a slide in and out animation for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.